I can be described as somebody who's very hard to please when it comes to cases, not just for the AirPods Pro, but also for things like phones, for example. The case has got to be beautiful to look at, it's got to have a smooth surface, it cannot have a rubberized surface because rubber surfaces tend to attract dust and dirt, and when you take the AirPods Pro out of your pocket, it pulls your pocket out with it. It cannot be stretchy because stretchy cases allow dirt and dust to get in behind the case and scratch the surface of the AirPods Pro. So that pretty much rules out almost all silicone and rubber cases. I've been checking out some sports cases, but all of them are too thick. The leather cases, well, I like them, but I don't want to risk staining the surface of my AirPods Pro when the leather gets wet, especially with dyed leather. So carbon fiber cases are probably the way forward for me, and Pitaka is one of the more popular brands that manufacture these carbon fiber cases, not only for the AirPods Pro but also for phones. This is called the Pitaka AirPal Mini for the AirPods Pro. Highly protective and modern AirPods case made from selected 600D aramid fiber. It says here on the box, bulletproof protection. So I'm really excited about this case. They've also sent me a case for my iPhone SE and a car charger. But we're going to check these out later. First, let's take a look at the Pitaka AirPal Mini. Okay, we've got a catalog of their products. Okay, don't need that at the moment. Okay, we've got a thank you note, and what is this inside? We've got a... Okay, well, nothing much really. Okay, this is for the lower half of the AirPods Pro. This is for the top half. And here you've got a carabiner. Just wiping my AirPods Pro to make sure that it's dust free before I put the case on. This goes in here, I suppose. Reusable, washable gel peel off before use. Okay, so this is supposed to stick on to the top lid. Okay, it's peeled off. Let's put this on. Okay. This is it. This is the carabiner. It goes on here if you want to use a carabiner. I don't really want to use a carabiner, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to put it on. Yep. So it looks like this. I like that it's got a smooth surface and it doesn't really add to the overall size of the AirPods Pro. It's still pretty small, pretty compact. You open and shut like this, you know, no restriction there. Of course, the porthole is here. Let's test the porthole. See if the cable fits properly. Yep, fits perfectly. Wireless charging test. Yep, it works. So you can still charge your AirPods Pro even with the case on. Pocket test. Okay, in, take out, put it back in. Yep, it slips easily in and out of my pocket. If this were made of rubber or silicone, I mean, my pocket would probably come out along with it, but you know, it's got a smooth surface, so that really helps. And it feels pretty solid, very rugged. Wait, let's drop it on the table. Okay. Yep, seems to be pretty good protection. Not even a scratch on the case. Well, I think if you drop it on the floor from standing height, then things might be a little different. Maybe the lid will open and the earbuds will fly out of the case because there isn't any mechanism here to keep the lid closed when you drop it on the floor. But it seems to protect pretty well from like small drops, coins and keys in your pocket, you know, that sort of thing. Okay, let's check out the phone case. Mag-gas case for iPhone. It's got a metal plate at the back, so when you attach this to this car charger, it keeps the phone in place when wirelessly charging it. This is going to be something that I want to look at later on. Let's check out the case. Okay, so this is the Pitaka Mag-gas carbon fiber case for the iPhone SE. Here's the iPhone SE. let's put it on. Okay, first let me wipe the back very quickly, just to make sure that it's dust free. Okay. Now, let me just put the case on. Yep, very simple to put on. Very thin. There's a small bump here, probably to protect the camera lenses, but other than that, this is a very, very thin case. Pocket test. Yep, very thin, slips easily in and out of the pocket again. Man, I'm really loving this carbon fiber design. I'm not very sure if it can offer the same kind of protection that it offers my AirPods Pro, because the case seems a little thinner than the AirPods Pro's case. Okay, car charger. Okay, this is the car charger. And this goes into a USB-C port. So there isn't a, that power plug thing that goes into the cigarette burner. Since it uses USB, I can simply plug this into my power bank. USB Type-C goes into the charger. This here plugs into the USB port of your car or your power bank. There are two ways you can attach this to your car. You can stick it to your dashboard using this part here, or you can attach this to your air conditioning vanes. Let's see if this works. Okay, here comes the real challenge, right? Whoa! It's a very strong magnetic pull. Check this out. Whew! Yeah, it stays on. The phone stays on, that's for sure. And it charges at the same time. This is really nice. But I guess the only thing that's missing from the Pitaka case is protection for the screen, because the edges of the screen is still pretty exposed. So if you drop your phone and it lands on the side of the screen, the corners, the screen is gonna crack for sure. So for a more complete protection, I suggest using a tempered glass protector for the screen that covers the entire screen. But otherwise, I love the Pitaka case. I mean, it's thin, it looks great, it's got a matte surface. So this is the Mac Easy case. You can get the car charger, the magnetic car charger, to complete the experience. And also the AirPods Pro's case as well looks really nice. And this is indeed going to offer the AirPods Pro, my AirPods Pro, some really needed protection. It pretty much fits the bill of a great case for the AirPods Pro in my most humble opinion. So yeah, this is the range. Do check them out in the link in the description box. I've included the prices down there too. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please show that you like this video by punching that like button with a vengeance, 2020 style, and sharing this video with your friends and family. More videos coming up soon from this channel, so if you don't want to miss another episode from this channel, please subscribe and ring the notifications bell, because this is the only way YouTube will notify you of new content from this channel. If you're a humble person like me, this shirt is a great way to show your friends how humble you really are. And whenever you look in the mirror, to admire yourself of course, it will also help to remind you to always be humble. So guys, this is a pretty fun shirt to wear. You can check it out in the link below. It's available in t-shirt, tank top, and hoodie. Your purchase helps keep this channel going, and I appreciate your support, bros.